Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'll not be reviewing any product for a change. Rather than I'll be talking about some excellent car services which I took few weeks ago, I guess, and I thought of sharing this with you. Buying a car is just like buying an elephant. The expenditure is never over. You need to look into a lot of things after buying a car. For example, you have to keep it maintained. You have to make sure there are no dents and scratches. You have to make sure it is properly serviced so that you can get a better mileage. So you have to look into a lot of things. Especially if you live in a city like Delhi. यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग लोग माँ के पेट से सीख के आते हैं. यहाँ पे हम गाड़ी सीखते नहीं हैं, हम चला चला के सीखते हैं. ऐसे में your car is bound to get scratched, dents, bumper उखड़ना. There are a lot of mishappenings that can happen with your car. ऐसे में FixCraft can be your one-stop solution for all your car needs. We recently got our car serviced from FixCraft and I was amazed by the professionalism. They give pick and drop facilities, they use 100% genuine parts, and they have their own workshop. Their services include periodic servicing, denting and painting, insurance claims, car AC services, car detailing, car deep cleaning, which is very important, full body restoration, tire replacement and battery replacement. The parts they use in your car are genuine and they have warranty. As they have car pick and drop facilities, it doesn't mean you're just giving your car keys and just letting them take your car away. No, there is live tracking. You can see where your car is going. So this is 100% safe. And they are excellent in dent removal, bumper painting, dent repair, car deep scratch removal, car engine repair and car AC repair, which is very important. And also this is a multi-brand workshop which caters to every car brand, which includes Hyundai, BMW, Tata Services, Mercedes, and one of the best thing is like it is very easy to book your car service here in Delhi. All you have to do is visit the FixCraft website, choose Delhi from the location option, select the desired service you want. You will be getting a list of services, so select the desired service you want, enter your vehicle information, get your quote, pick a time and book the appointment. It is as simple as that. And there's also this number where you can call and their car experts will reach out to you. And especially during this COVID situation, I was quite, I was worried like how sanitized our car will be while after we get it back, because it's very important to keep that sanitized as well, apart from dust free and all. So I was made sure like my car was fully sanitized, all the door knobs and levers and everything was properly sanitized, and my car was given to me in a proper sanitized way. So I was genuinely very happy. So in case you're looking for some car services in Delhi, you need to do anything, you need to get any work done in your car, you should give FixCraft a try. I'll put the link in the description box. You can contact them, get your quote, and you can see whether this works for you or not. So my personal experience was very good. That's why I thought of sharing it with you. That was it. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you all.